So let's recall now the criteria for congruence of triangles once again. I had shown you this picture, and after watching the video I hope it is more clear to you now. The first condition is the SSS, the three sides are equal. So as shown in the video, we can superimpose this triangle on this triangle. So this side, that means this side will come on this side, overlap this side. The second side will be overlapped by this second side, and the third side will be overlapped by the third side. That means this side. Third side will be overlapped by the third side. So now I hope it is clear to you by what does it mean by SSS. Same way in ASA, two angles and one side will be equal, so of the two triangles. So here this angle will be equal to this angle. The second angle is this, is equal to this angle, and the third is the side that is equal, and this should be the included side. So this side is equal to this side, that is the included side. So S A S, after A S comes, and then A. So you have to count letter by letter. A S A. Same way here, A, then S, and then A. Now in this figure it is AAS. So the first one is, the first triangle is this angle, equal to this angle, and then the second one this angle equal to this angle. So we have two A's here, you can see two A's here are equal, and then comes the S. So in AAS we have one is this angle equal to this angle, then this angle equal to this angle, and then this side equal to this side. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4, and side 5 equal to side 6. So we have this way, we count this way, side, angle, and then the side. So it is A, and then again A, and then the S, AAS. So it has to be in sequence, first two A's and then the S. So here also it should be in the same sequence, A, then A, and then the S. We can't skip, we can't take one A here and then another A here, and then we can't take S as this side. This will be wrong if we take. So understand this. This will be wrong if we take this. So we have to be very careful in choosing the side. So this side if we take, this will be wrong. Now the third one is RHS. The two triangles should be right triangles. So there has to be a right angle. So there are two right triangles here. So one is this right angle, one is here and the another is here. So two right angles are to be there, and the side opposite to this is called hypotenuse. So this side should be equal to this side. So there's no confusion. The side opposite to right angle should be equal, and one of the other two sides should be equal. So any one side should be equal to any one side of the other right triangle. So if you are choosing, suppose in this case, suppose you are choosing another side, say this side, so this side could also be equal to this side. So you need only one side. I am showing you an extra side, an extra pair of side, if you want to choose that, instead of suppose this side. If you are not taking this side and then you are taking the another pair, so that is also okay. So one will be this, another will be this hypotenuse, and third will be this, third will be this. Then also it is R H S. S can be any one side. Now let us learn, after proving congruency, what do we conclude that the two triangles are congruent? So what do we get from that? So here comes a term which is called CPCT. So let us learn the meaning of CPCT and where it can be used in congruency of triangles. So after we have proved two triangles congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal. So corresponding parts means, what are the parts of a triangle? The parts of a triangle are its sides and its angles. So a triangle has three sides and three angles. So once the two triangles are congruent, now listen to it very carefully, this is statement, once the two triangles are congruent, either they are proved congruent or they are given congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles will be equal. That means all three sides and all three angles of one triangle will be equal to corresponding sides and corresponding angles of the other triangle. Now here comes the importance of CPCT. So let us see what does CPCT means. So CPCT has the first letter C, which means corresponding, then comes P, which means parts, then of, corresponding parts of, then C again means congruency, congruent triangles, T for triangles, and there is another C. Actually we call CPCT in short, but the full abbreviation is CPCTC. So the final C is for R congruent. So C, first C stands for corresponding, then P stands for parts, C stands for congruent, T stands for triangles, and C stands for congruent or equal. Congruent here, the last the final C means congruent and it means equal also. So if we see this whole abbreviation CPCT, it means corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are congruent or equal. That means their corresponding parts are equal. Now let us understand this in case of real examples. So application of CPCT, let us see this figure. Here two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now see that which parts are given equal in the two triangles. So here you can see that this side AB is given equal to side PQ. Then second is side AC. So let us see side AC, this side AC is given equal to side PR. So these two sides are given equal, and then this angle, the third thing which is given equal is the angle. So here angle A is given equal to angle P. So by which condition can you tell, since you have learnt criteria for proving congruency of triangles, by which condition they are congruent? If you named SAS, you are right, because here we have one side, then second angle, and third side is equal to corresponding side, angle, and then side. So SAS in the first triangle is equal to SAS in the second. So by SAS the two triangles are congruent. So here given is AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, and angle A equal to angle P. So then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS rule. Now by CPCT, so here comes the application of CPCT, which means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now since the two triangles are congruent now we have proved that the two triangles are congruent by SAS or by whichever criteria. Now we apply CPCT. So by CPCT the leftover parts of the two triangles will also be equal. So corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. So the leftover parts. Now what do we mean by leftover parts? Now let us see this. Now here we have already taken this angle equal to this angle. This is already given. Now we are left with two angles. Now understand this very well. Now we are left with two angles. One is angle B, one is angle B, and another is angle C. Now here two angles again are left, angle R and angle Q. Now you have to identify that angle B is equal to which angle of the other triangle and angle C equal to which angle of other triangle. Now this is very important point which I am going to tell you, how to identify that which two angles will be called corresponding and they will be equal. So you have to understand this very well. Now since this side, now identify the side, this side is equal to this side which I am highlighting, that means AB equal to PR. So angles opposite to them will also be equal and they will be corresponding angles. So what is angle opposite side AB? The angle opposite side AB is angle C. So look here very carefully. Angle C is opposite angle side AB. So angle C is equal to the angle opposite side PQ. The opposite side PQ we have angle R. So angle C equal to angle R. So we got angle C equal to angle R and angle B equal to angle Q. So that is what is written here, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Now you can look here again. This angle B is equal to angle Q because they are opposite side AC, which is equal to angle which is equal to side PQ. So the angles opposite to these equal sides will also be equal. So which angle is opposite side AC? The angle B. So that is why angle B. And which angle is opposite side PR? Angle Q. So angle B equal to angle Q. Same way I have already explained, angle C equal to angle R. Now the side which is left side. So we already have two sides equal of the two triangles. So the third side which is left. So angle A, since angle A equal to angle P, So understand this, it is already given angle A equal to angle P. So angle A is here and angle P is here. So I am going to highlight this so that you understand this. Angle A is equal to angle P. So angle A has side BC opposite to it. So this is side BC, and angle P has side PR opposite, QR opposite to it. That is why angle side BC equal to side QR. So that is how we identify the equal sides have equal angles opposite and the equal angles have equal sides opposite, and the reason we write is CP CT C. So that is the reason we write while proving the two triangles to be congruent. So after proving the triangles congruent, we use this word CP CT for showing the corresponding sides and angles equal. Now let's take another example. Look into the figure. We have again two triangles here, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and here it's given that this angle equal to this angle. Then we have the second angle, this angle equal to this angle, and then we have the third thing is the sides given equal. So this side equal to this side. Now can you tell by which condition, by which criteria they are congruent? If you named ASA, you are correct. So here it is by ASA they are congruent. So let us see how they are congruent by ASA. One is this A, then S, then A. Here A, S, and then A. So by ASA they are congruent. Now let us see. So given here is BC equal to EF, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. So we conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA criteria. Then by CPCT, so here comes CPCT into the picture. So the remaining congruent parts will also be equal. So remaining parts, we already have two angles of the two triangles equal. So which one is the third angle which is left will also be equal. So either this way you conclude, or you see the corresponding angles and sides by seeing that which side is equal to which side. So angles opposite to them will be equal. So you can see that this side equal to this side, this side. So angles opposite to them, opposite to these equal sides, that means this angle will be equal to this angle. The angles opposite to them will also be equal. So angle A will be equal to angle D. So we conclude by CPCT angle A equal to angle D, and the remaining two sides. So how do we identify the remaining two sides, which side will be equal to which side? So you can see here, since angle B is equal to angle E. So see the highlighted angles. So angle B equal to angle E. So side opposite to angle B is AC. This side is equal to side opposite to angle E, that is DF. So AC and DF are equal. That is how AC and DF are equal. Okay. So the third side left will be equal, or you can see that these two angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. So the side opposite to them, that is this side, is equal to this side. That means AB equal to D. So that is how AB equal to D. So the third is angle equal to angle D, which I already explained. So when you write the corresponding parts to be equal, we use the word CPCT. So this is very important after proving congruency. Thank you.